Well, hey YouTube, it's Old Man 16 again. Got another alarm for you. Today we will be looking at the Sunbeam Centurion to model 4551. As you can see, this is his original box. Came in the early 1980s. And here's the alarms. It's technically just a rebranded FireX B2 or whatever they're called. It was the newer model. It wasn't the one with the classic mechanical horn. Um, I found this from eBay. This was used, but came with his original boxing hardware and everything. And the only thing it didn't come with it is the mounting bracket, but that's all right. I mean, it's better than nothing. I couldn't pass on it. And so hold on. So here's the back of it. Um, here's the back of it. Um, um, so and this box is a bit different too. It's sideways. I'll show you right there. Yeah, focus. Yeah, it's not gonna focus. But anyways, right there it says 1980 if anyone wanted to know. So, yeah, like I said, this is just a quick video of it. Um, let's go ahead and test it real quick. So as you see, it done the classic 5/6 pattern, higher pitched than some of them I seen. Yeah, it's a really cool alarm. It just once again reminds me of a FireX. Also Jameson made one of these too. They had one of these. Then later on, the one thing was different was the the vents were different. But till then, and it had the dome test button. As you see, another thing you notice, it did have the tiered test button instead of the dome. But whatever. But till then, I'll see you in the next video.